All right, guys, I'm going to review the Six Trig Functions from Unit Circle. You should have your Unit Circle worksheet with you still. All right, remember your Unit Circle has coordinates x and y. It has a radius of 1. So the sine is the y coordinate. The cosine is the x coordinate. Tangent is sine over cosine, so that would make it y over x. Because the radius is 1, cosecant would be 1 over y. Secant would be 1 over x, and then the cotangent would be x over y. So we're going to find the six trig functions from an angle that is from the unit circle. So if I say theta is pi over 2. So the first thing we have to do is figure out what is my ordered pair that coincides with pi over 2. Pi over 2 is the top of my unit circle, so it is the ordered pair 0, 1. Remember, the first is the x-coordinate, the second number is the y-coordinate. So the sine of theta is going to be the y-coordinate, which is 1. The cosine of theta is going to be the x-coordinate, which is 0. The tangent of theta is going to be y over x, so 1 over 0. Now we cannot divide by 0, so that means this function is undefined. Okay? All right, then we have our reciprocal functions. So the cosecant is going to be 1 over y, so 1 over 1 is 1. The secant is going to be 1 over x. So again, I have 1 over 0, so that is undefined. Cannot divide by 0. And the third one, the last one, is cotangent, which is x over y. So 0 divided by any number is 0. All right, I'll do one more. All right, so let's say theta is 60 degrees. All right, theta is 60 degrees, so we have to go to our unit circle. 60 degrees is the ordered pair of 1/2 and root 3 over 2. So the sine of theta is going to be root 3 over 2. The cosine of theta is going to be 1/2. First coordinate's x, second coordinate's y. The tangent of theta is going to be root 3 over 2 over 1/2. Remember, we divide fractions by multiplying by the reciprocal of the denominator. So root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. The 2's will cross out. So the tangent of theta is root 3. All right, the cosecant of theta is going to be 1 over root 3 over 2. Again, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. So 2 over root 3. We're going to multiply straight across. So 2 over root 3. And remember, again, we cannot leave a radical in the denominator of a fraction. So we're going to multiply by root 3 over root 3. So we're going to get 2 root 3 over 3. Right? Now the last two, I have to do secant and cotangent. So secant is going to be 1 over the x-coordinate. So 1 over 1/2. So 1 times 2 over 1, which is going to give me 2. And then cotangent is going to be x over y. So 1/2 over root 3 over 2. Again, we multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. So we're going to flip root 3 over 2 upside down. 2's are going to cross out. So I'm going to get 1 over root 3. And again, we never leave a radical in the denominator. So we're going to multiply by root 3 over root 3. So cotangent is root 3 over 3. So that is just a quick review of from a unit circle angle.